At Galapagos, everything we do is with patients in mind. We are passionate about making a difference and improving the lives of those in need. In our 20 years of operation, we have pioneered biotechnology, developing medicines that provide a significant leap forward in the treatment of patients. Our mission is to develop first-in-class medicines based on the discovery of novel targets. And our ambition is to become a leading global biopharmaceutical company focused on the discovery, development, and commercialization of innovative medicines that will improve people's lives. We are innovators. Rather than tackling the symptoms of the disease, we tackle the disease itself. Our vast bank of proprietary knowledge and an ambitious pipeline has led to over 40 unique compounds, half of which are in clinical development. We strive to challenge ourselves without a fear of failure, and our people are crucial to this. We have a truly diverse workforce who collaborate to achieve our shared goals on the path to discovery.
For me, it's all about ambition, about putting the bar high, about trying to achieve something that others didn't think was possible to achieve. Building a fully integrated biopharmaceutical company. And we have shown that we actually can do that. Together, the whole team, putting the bar higher than you think you can actually put it and show that you can achieve it. Well, it's been a very natural evolution. We started with a number of biologists to identify novel targets. And when we had identified those targets, basically nobody saw the true value of the innovation that we were developing. And we decided to make our own drugs against those targets. And we started chemistry, came up with molecules that we partnered. But again, we saw better opportunities to take them into the clinic ourselves. So we actually started phase 1, phase 2, we're now in phase 3. And actually with Gilead, our big partner, with Servier, we have partners that bring products to the market. But also there, we believe that we have the possibility to actually market our innovative drugs ourselves as well. So that's the next step in the evolution, that we're going to commercialize our own molecules that we have developed as novel drugs. Innovation and raising the bar are crucial for our success and will remain the basis of the future of this company. If we stay true to our values there, we have a chance to really grow out into one of the leading biopharmaceutical companies in the world. And by doing this, by coming up with new mode of actions, we potentially can make a difference in the lives of many, many patients that have, at the moment, diseases with high unmet medical needs. And if we can come up with novel drugs that effectively treat these diseases, we have a great ambition to go for. Having built the organization that actually is delivering to what we, to the ambition that we have and what we wanted to achieve, I think we have such an impressive group of people around that we actually can challenge any pharma company out there with a program that is unmet in its potential.